Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make hair longer in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From where we can get started with uploading all our photos. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, we have the camera roll option. We can go ahead and upload from our photo gallery directly and so on. And once you load them up, they're going to appear right here, and now we can get started accessing them. So we're going to tap on the pictures right here to open them up in this editor mode, from where we can get started browsing all the filters we can use for managing our photos. And here at the bottom of the screen, you want to go ahead and find this option right here by scrolling to the right and find the hairstyles option. You're going to tap on hairstyles. By tapping on hairstyles, it's going to open up this new menu, hairstyles, and edit options that you have. And we can scroll to the right to find all the options we have, but they're logged behind the pro subscription. But you have this one right here that is free, that says long. So you're going to make your hair longer using this option right here. You have multiple long options if you want to test them out, but you can tap on it right here, see how it looks, and if you're satisfied, using the save button in the upper right corner, you can save the photo to your gallery, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.